Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to block someone from your YouTube channel. Start by logging into youtube.com. Make sure you sign in using the account that manages your YouTube channel. Once you are signed in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose Your Channel. Now that you are on your channel page, look for the button that says Manage Videos. Click on it. This will take you to the YouTube Studio, where you can see all the content and settings for your channel. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Community. This section shows all the comments people have left on your videos. Take a look through the list and find the comment made by the person you want to block. There are two ways you can block this user. The first method is simple. Next to the comment, you will see three vertical dots. This is the Action menu. Click on it. A small menu will appear. Choose the option that says Hide User from Channel. Once you click this, that user will be blocked. They won't be notified, but their comments will no longer show up publicly on your videos. The second method gives you a little more control. Find the same comment again. This time, right-click on the username or profile picture of the commenter. Select Open Link in New Tab. This will open that person's YouTube channel in a new tab. Once you are on their channel page, click on the More button. You'll see a small flag icon. Click on the flag. A menu will appear. Choose the option called Block User or Hide User from My Channel. Confirm your choice if asked. Once done, that person will be blocked from interacting with your channel. Using either of these methods, you can keep your channel safe and free from unwanted comments. Thanks for watching.